Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will create a new well manually instead of doing it by importing the information of the wells in bulk as we did at the start of the tutorial. So for that, let's go to our Sahara project. And once here, you can select this tool here in the map window. This button here will open the well and patterns menu. Here you can create new wells, open a layer, close a layer, convert a well to an injector, or convert a well to a producer, create new patterns, new elements, new flow elements, as we discussed when we were reviewing the flow elements in the simulator exercise. So here we have some other tools to modify the elements as well. So now we will use the new well option, but first the idea here is to create a new well in the position of the location number 4. So continuing with the idea of the simulation of real activity for this tutorial, we will drill a new well in the position that has been defined for the L4 location that we discussed in a previous exercise. So now let's hide the location for now, and let's create the new well. So over here by default the new object window will open, and the position, the coordinates x and y that will be defined here are the ones of the point where I click when I selected the new well tool. But here you can modify this as you see fit. So it really doesn't matter where you click on the map when you create a new well, but by default it's going to select the coordinates that were clicked originally in the map. So now let's create a new well. The well will be called D106. The full name, I have it here, I will copy it from my file like this. We won't use any unique well identifier, so this is going to be left blank. The alias is going to be 106, and the exact position, now we will modify it as 2217471 and 3530841. As you can see here, I'm copying the location, the coordinates of the L4 location. So now the elevation is going to be in meters, 323.94. And now we have all the data of the well defined. So now let's click OK, and now the new well has been created. Just to check, let's look, and as you can see now it's in the same position as the location 4 that we defined previously in the previous exercise with the location analysis tool. So that will be everything for this tutorial. We have created manually a new well by selecting this option here, the well and patterns option. By clicking in this button here, you can open this menu and create your new well manually instead of importing the information for all the wells as we did at the start of the exercise of the tutorial. So thank you for watching and have a great day.